Hello everyone, I'm Cynthia Andoniadou, I'm Congress Committee Chair for ECE, and we come to you today from the 2025 conference where I'm sitting with some very important people for the 2026 Congress. Now ECE 2026 will come to you from Prague in the Czech Republic. So let's go to Sander. So Sander, tell us all about the basic program.
Yeah, so I'm Sander Kooijman. I'm the current president of the Netherlands Society for Endocrinology. And I'm also really excited to join this fantastic team and also to set up a beautiful program with bringing basic science, translational science to the whole community, having top speakers invited and perhaps even have joint sessions with organizers, with the clinical organizers.
That's really important, isn't it? A good mixture, and it's going to be attractive to everybody. And we're going to come to you with a very exciting program that you can't possibly turn down. So see you in Prague.